Hey guys, Brian here, Florida Outdoors RV Center here in Stuart, Florida. I want to show you this travel trailer. It's a pre-owned travel trailer. Fantastic condition though. It's a Windjammer. It's got the bathroom area here, the living area. Really great furniture here. Pre-owned, but not very old, so fantastic condition. Corner kitchen here. Alright. Step outside. Got an automatic awning here. It's a 3008W model. It's by Rockwood. Nice super slides with slide toppers here. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us at 772-288-2221. We'd be more than glad to answer any questions you may have. Thanks so much and have a nice day.